fruit custards. Wow, yummy. Yeah, it's winter time, so yeah, season of fruits. So today we are going to make a fruit custard with 10 amazing winter fruits. So yeah, let's get into it. Here we are using 1 cup of milk, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of evaporated milk and 4 tablespoons of custard powder. Add 1 cup of milk and 4 cups of water. Add 1 cup of sugar or add it according to your taste and stir it till it's dissolved completely. At the same time, add 4 tablespoons of custard powder in a bowl and dissolve it well in water at room temperature. Add this little by little to the boiling milk and stir it continuously. Simmer the stove while adding the custard to avoid lumps. Yeah. Remove it from the flame and allow it to cool. Allow the custard to cool. This custard mixture which we kept for cooling can be used for the milkshake. Just grind it with some milk and yeah, you're good to go. Your custard milkshake is ready. In the meantime, start chopping off the fruits. I have taken about 10 wonderful fruits. Wonderful fresh fruits. So yummy, the strawberries, peaches, oranges, bananas. It's so wonderful, yeah, yummy. Add these cut pieces into the custard milk. So let the custard mixture cool down. Once it's cool, add all these fruits, mix it well and leave it in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours so that the fruits absorb the sweet and the custard flavors into it and it becomes wonderful. And once it's done after 3 to 4 hours, it's ready to serve. Serve it cool and it will be a wonderful dessert for any meal you have or just a simple evening snacks for the family. And we come to an end. Hope you like our video and stay tuned for more weekly videos. Thank you for all. And yeah, same drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you and stay tuned for more. See you in my next video.
I like it.